At the time, I was working a job like 50, 60 hours a week, and I really had no time to do music at all. I had to work, get up, shower, brush my teeth, eat some food, go to work, and then come home and sleep. It was kind of like just consuming all of my day. During the time I was working at like an Uber driver sort of thing. I was picking up people in wheelchairs, and all the free time that I had, all I was doing was listening to the radio or listening to like playlists that I'd make. And that kind of got me back into it because I was just listening to all this new music and, finding new stuff because that's all I had time to do. And it like inspired me to like do something about it. When COVID hit, I got laid off and I had all this money saved. And through the experience of like Uber and talking to people about music and whatnot, I decided that I'd like try to go for something in school. And I got in contact with RFC and amazing things happened from there. So when you have like a question that you're struggling with, he always finds a way to answer that question. Sometimes he even goes above and beyond, like especially like when I was learning about the patch bay, I had told not just Steve, but the other engineers here and asked them about the patch bay and trying to understand how connectivity works. And we had set up live drums and mic'd everything. And I got to experience miking live drums and working with the patch bay, making sure every mic was coming through to Pro Tools and recording correctly. So that was a great experience, and it was above and beyond what I was expecting to learn at that moment. I feel like it's a gift. I feel like the universe has given me a huge opportunity, and like I wake up and I don't feel like down about like what I'm doing now, and I wake up and I can see that I'm progressing, making more music, getting better. Every time I come here, I learn something new, like every single time. So I'm here all the time. I try to be here as much as I can, and back then it was not even close to that. I was just depressed, to be honest, and now it's like, it's a great thing, like a great feeling to enjoy what you're doing. So my advice is don't get ahead of yourself. Try to consume and absorb everything you can. This is a door that, it's waiting to be opened, and in fact, it's already opened as soon as you join RFC. You just gotta like take the time and put in the work and show how passionate you are about it, because someone else is always gonna be working harder than you. You always have to try to beat that. You always have to try to work as hard as you can. That would be my advice. Take every opportunity you can and use everything as a learning experience.